Hey, you don't look too well. Would you like for me to do a little bit of my on you? Okay, let me just go ahead and take a look. Okay, I think I know what I'm seeing. There's a little bit of discourse, a little bit of fogginess, gray area up there in your third eye, right there, and that's blocking your ascension to your crown. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pull out some of that negativity, and in hopes that's going to get you to the next level, okay? Okay, so first we're going to start off by... So actually we're going to go ahead and start off by putting some good vibes into the air. This angel spray, it's going to go ahead and block any energies from trying to creep their way in while we go through this process. So I just want to make sure that it's just all clean, all positivity going around in the room, alright? We don't want to put anything else in there that's going to make things worse, okay? We're just going to go ahead and take that in. Waft it in, waft it in. Nice, crisp, clean, fresh scent. You know, there's no better feeling than fresh laundry. They knew what they were doing. So, now that we've sprayed that, I'm actually going to go ahead and, this is something I learned from one of my shamans a few weeks ago. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this syringe and I'm going to inject a highlighter into the negative energy, okay? So as I inject the highlighter into it, all those bad thoughts, those negative thoughts, those feelings of anger, despair, whatever you might be going through right now, it's just gonna light it up like it's a circus, okay? Like it's New York and you're in an airplane high in the sky and it's just bright like no other, okay? I'm talking Eiffel Tower at night. So let's go ahead. First we're just gonna take up some of the product. And we're just gonna take up some more. And take up some more. You know, it kind of sounds like an old chair. Okay, perfect. Now as we let that marinate in, I just want you to tell me a little bit about what's been going on. You know, what's been happening in life that's been making you feel this way. Okay. Alright, yeah. Yeah, I can see how that might make you feel. Okay. Okay, well, we are gonna do our best right now, you and me together. We're gonna work through this together. And hopefully at the end of this, you feel 1,000,000 times better, okay? Perfect. Now that we've injected the highlighter, I'm going to take a second look just to see if things look a little different now, okay? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm seeing the difference already. Wow. That's like day and night. Oh. So now that I know exactly where all of this negativity is stemming from, I'm just going to go ahead and scratch, 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 scratch. We're going to scratch through that energetic field so that we can really get into the root, okay? And just scratch, 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 scratch. We're almost there. Scratch, 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 scratch. Perfect. Now I'm seeing a little bit over here. It's really dark, really heavy. I'm just gonna let that out. Oh, that's long. There we go. Just, oh, I can barely get that one, okay. Just see if I could double it, okay? Okay. Actually, some of this, matter of fact, do you mind? Because I didn't eat earlier. I've been on my liquid fast for the past few days. So, actually, I'm just gonna. It's not that good going down, but it'll keep me satisfied for a little bit. That's delicious. It's growing on me, okay? You just kind of have to let flavors marinate. Like how you kind of bake cookies and they're not really the best till the next day. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Okay, I think I got most of it from that first layer, but I think I can just go a little bit deeper because I'm still seeing some of that highlighter, okay? So just gonna scratch, 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 think I also just kind of want to scoop this open. Perfect. I'm starting to get a little full now. Oh my gosh. Just gonna pluck, 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 pluck. Pluck, 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 pluck. Pluck, 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 pluck. Pluck, 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 pluck. That was a heavy one. I think there's a little bit that migrated. It's a little bit there in the middle towards your nose now. It's a little tangy down here. Oh, that was delicious. Let me just go ahead and take another look. Take a look, 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 take a look. Perfect, except there's just a little tiny, tiny piece right there in the corner. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay. Now, I'm gonna just go ahead and do a little cleansing to close you off, keep you nice and healthy, nice and protected, nice and strong, okay? I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and go with the knock jumper. To make things nice and sturdy for you, okay? Just gonna light that up for you. Okay. Now I just want you to go ahead and close your eyes and take some deep breaths with me, alright? And we're going to go ahead right now and just inhale as deep as you can go. Now we're going to exhale and let it all out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Now I want you to picture that you're standing in front of a gate, and that gate is opened right now. Now, I want you with your mind to walk towards that gate door. Okay? Now I want you to grab that gate door by the handle, or the top, or the side, whichever type of gate you have. And I want you to close that door for me, okay? Make sure once you close that door that you lock the gate. Whether it's a latch, a key, some other random type of lock that I can't think of at the moment, I want you to lock that gate. And as you lock that gate, we're going to imagine a force field growing from the gate all the way to behind you, whatever type of atmosphere you might be in. It may be a house, it may be a parking lot, wherever it is. I want you to picture a force field forming all the way around you, beginning at that gate. And now, as your gate is locked and your force field is put up, your energy is safe once more. Okay? I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope I was able to make you feel even just a teeny bit better. But I was hoping for 1,000,000. Bye-bye.